Hey friends, it's Jacqueline here. In today's video, I'm bringing my review, demo, swatches, and 2 eye looks using DIOR's Summer June 2021 eyeshadow palettes. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know all the details about these 2 new DIOR palettes from their summer collection, then just keep on watching. I have expressed how excited I am for this new DIOR Summer June 2021 collection, and unfortunately the entire collection is not yet available, but the 2 quints that come on the collection, they actually showed up at Selfridges, so I couldn't resist the temptation. I got them. We're gonna create 2 looks. I'm gonna give you swatches and whatnot. And I know it's so sad that I don't have the entire collection. The collection is actually pretty substantial. I'm gonna put an image right here. There's a lot of like luminizers, lip products, nail polishes. I mean, like I said, the collection is pretty big. So I will keep you posted whenever I see it arriving here to United States, and I will be leaving all the details of my makeup and all the links on the description box below, as well as where I found these 2. Okay friends, so let's go ahead and show you how they look like. As you know, DIOR kind of like got rid of the velour beautiful pouches, which, you know, in a way I'm okay with it, because usually I was not one of those people that use them. I usually, you know, like leave them on the side, collect them, but never really got a use out of them unless I was going for a trip or putting them on my purse, which is not necessarily something that I do very often. Anyhow friends, I have here the shade 699 Mirage. Very beautiful, so lovely. I mean, these are my shades. These are the colors that I usually gravitate towards. A lot of coral, a lot of peach, a lot of bronzy tones. And then here I have 759 Dune. Honestly, lovely. I mean, lovely. Now let me show them to you side by side, because I know you guys, they look very alike, and mostly because they have these kind of between marble eyes and Dune kind of like texture. Here's how the palettes look side by side. Dune 759 and Mirage 699. So pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Let's do 699 Mirage. Ooh, they feel so soft. All the shades right here, they are actually more of like a satin shades. So here are the first 4. I'm gonna build it up a little because these are pretty sheer. And now let's go with the palette Dune. Ooh, this shade right here is gorgeous. Oh, I love these type of shades. So pretty. Right here we have Mirage, and down here we have Dune. So you can tell Mirage has a little bit more depth, and honestly the shades are very alike. I mean, I don't see a lot of difference between one and the other. Let's apply them on the eyelids and let's see what is this all about. So I'm gonna work with the palette Dune on my right eye. Now my left eye, I'm gonna go with Mirage. Now that I'm completely done with these looks, I was thinking about giving some comparisons with, I have here Honeymoon from Tom Ford, but honestly these are more potent. They have a lot more payoff right away. I went ahead and swatched these two shades right here, again from Honeymoon, right over here, all the way to the bottom. And as you can see, they are kind of like in the same family. And then I also thought about Suspicion from Tom Ford. This is one of my favorite palettes from Tom Ford. I mean, truly beautiful. And I went ahead and swatched it right over here. So as you can tell, they are kind of like in the same family, you know, of shades. But what is truly the difference is that Tom Fords, they do have more pigmentation. Even, I mean, these are dry swatches and they have a lot more payoff. The ones from DIOR, from this summer collection, they are more, I don't want to say sheer, completely sheer, but they have some translucency. All of them, they have this very ethereal translucency with sheen to them. They do have pigment, but don't think that you're going to get a ton of it like right away. No, I didn't have any trouble building pigmentation, but go with the mind that they have, again, this kind of a little bit of that translucency to create these ethereal summer goddess type of eyeshadow looks. And I know this kind of like texture, although fun, and you know, like seeing the dunes and this kind of like marbleized type of eyeshadows, they are very creative and they look beautiful. Sometimes it's hard to tell, you know, like, okay, what's the big difference? But as you can tell, Mirage right here, this eyeshadow palette has a little bit more depth because it has a little bit more of taupey tones in it, while the one Dune plays more with gold and kind of like corally tones. So say this will be kind of like your morning, early afternoon, and this will be kind of like your late afternoon, evening kind of summer look. So that's the main difference between the two of these palettes. And then if I haven't mentioned it, both palettes, they are made in Italy. They have 4 grams of product, and honestly, I like what I see. I think this is a very beautiful summer take. I mean, honestly, I feel all, you know, like the beautiful warmth right here of summer, and then here a little bit more of that afternoon sunset vibe. I mean, I think it really encapsulates what is summer. Just go with the mind that they, I mean, they do have pigmentation, but they have, again, that translucency, that kind of like shiny, I don't want to say shimmer in the sense of glitter because it doesn't have glitter, but it has little speckles of shimmer that they just look so glistening to the eyes. They truly look beautiful, and I'm really looking forward to see the rest of the collection because, I mean, I'm dying to see the luminizers. There's one luminizer that looks a lot like the one from last year, this one right here, which I'm actually using today. And I mean, there's the lip products, there's also the nail polishes. I mean, the collection is fairly complete. Let me know, my friends, if you're excited for this DIOR Summer June 2021 collection. What are those products that you are excited and planning to pick up? I would love to carry the conversation on the comment section down below. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I hope that you can give me that opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with family and friends. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!
This